Enti adomonline.com wo afi na wo hye ye mo achesonkon ye mo akwa ba afi na ade ato ha ya sha se da wonum tuo mu na Apostle Dr. Niteku be hye ye nkran na ne ade news na ba ene ade agodie mu nsam no ato aso a ye de bon krata ne adomonline stories any health tips and so to aso ye be be phone lines no na so de odie aba be ka ho nti ye sha se de a adomonline.com ye di kan aka say don't force your lifestyle on others. Bishop Takia boy ya chechiri mo ediamo no so ho asem enie afio se self-centeredness among men of God affecting the work of God. And they say nyame nipa fo no mu according to Bishop Takia boy no aso ono ahu no ho kra so nyame bibia is about him awrade asem no omoja to be bi kura no tese omo a and affecting nyame djuma because they say no video bi akwesi mi hu ye osofo so wakotoka for the church and akwani say so pastor can I drive so no then for the church and then say oh say so the assurance ka akotoka no wasa de aba it we yes auto pressure to system ne mu postcar assurance wo hwe ni pe wo mfia bi o now to say every day no omo nje na wo pastor wo de reach wo hu to hwe aye nti ene asam no na down 49-year-old fisherman jail for defiling 13-year-old girl at Mumford. Akwa no a osi akwa awia ne sikenti ode bete ne ka no. Yeah. E de natum. Em some dey to 10 years. Amunya no kura nto we. Ko ba na bibia ewu. Kura ketwa 13 years. Wan goto no munasa na anya dey. Adai. Obi abayo a we breaking the virginity wo. And enya kwampa so. We rape no. Ti akura wo benyini nyina no. Na woni tirim ohu be makura na ne yebo hye no. Adai. Penimu te sew onana mu a akora wo betumi ayo onana de ne ho anya omobo ade a akono bai mobo nwema nketenkete we nyina we munya se castrate omo nipa bi sei okoda ho asa ma ye de tass atua ne ama na aduane adi wo sa no na se feeling bi ani no ho biem onye hwe ofiri mu fia ode be yesua de mo ma ne nokro no mu nyina be bia mo de ne kolo tete gatesi mu Omo yesa nke kure mu nyina ye kama. Tubadomonline.com and also ewa ha osi Labour Minister rewards nurse Abdul Latif with 5,000. Nye na juma penti. Wanya 5k ahye no ho. To so yire wo ho. Ya juma ni yie. Na so de ye ba. Mo ni mre obi de kakra na awon mo ni so na yire wo ho. Na ye juma den. Esika die na koso no. Ya beka ECD ya chiama no pay mamu akwa aba me so some nyina mo ho ye billion kwasi ina beka me na ye the billion ade 1 million na do 26 million kwasi se communication no o si media no media ben ya no want so nkan mo media team no ho how sure announcement nyina mo de ba ne ya ye ye ti ha ne ye 7 million sikadie pa ni Mese metia na meyam. Ati wo yesi eniska. Wan hwe akwasi wan hwe asam no. Wan hwe be kan okura na wo de kan de na.
Ba be fa daily graphic de bokata ento aso na yenkwafia. Was a city hit 60th March to Vice President calls for safeguarding currency's integrity. GNPC pushes ahead to take charge of all oil projects. Enti GNPC for CM fem wa odu aye tu o man Ghana nyina fedie. Wakasa de won tabai e ba be cruise so na be Ghana so be nya fefa kase pa President announces state funeral for Nana Kunadu Admiral Run. So man baji Nana Kunadu Admiral Run say you know aye the kese pa e wo kra krodwemu e de man daily graphic and anyway ba ne anopain. The Ghanaian Times city at 60 let's sustain stability. Ma pene be de che de ka say enkankwa ye nya Ghana sikam no ye man ko so ento aso sa ma Ghana adehiem. 3.4 billion Ghana cedis injection strengthens NHIS. Chief of Staff Adebetuja Ejem said Aban Aspendis of close to 3.4 billion Ghana cedis. And the era National Health Insurance Committee no kwa unya doctor for me to show empamu emawu enkofi. President Mahama why visit family of Nana Kunadu Admiral Rollins. Mampedi John Rahman Manabusia for akwatra the Rollins ebusia. The Ghanaian Times the Bokata enso edonom. The Chronicle or the Paul Afokofoni Abba. Or the NPP chairmanship race. Enter Paul Afoko. eti powerful kwa saba biem no year 2014 water balenu oso saba be biem e wo the next chairmanship race wo NPP amjokodem ECG overspent budget by 189 million Ghana cedis. PAC refers former managers to Attorney General. Tentem. Samira engages Baumia's campaign. It energizes Baumia campaign for chairman. It is a Mammy Samira so copy and free month of the fear grande. Said no campaign and the chronicle of Wakata, I don't know. Daily guide. Gay bill died with 8th parliament. Speaker, and my your film chairman like saying, as a gay bill na ba I your film no ewu. Yes, your 9th parliament. I said your for brave from a fra. To so be a nyakwaya no tumbi. It near what by the ewu. Yes, I'm quite fro and some fambra. Burry Lumba as shadowed court. It court about to just 6 December no. I was avoiding me to see that Lumba more beer to fason chebia and to so. Who to me escapes bench warrant. Abra court board called to see a cofanimra pet. No, see you, Yamam, you mean, the lawyer said, court to Hokra, but time, no. Yeah, what's the mean you die? Such as you catch us, or say, Mount 9, 8:30 now. No, let me say, well. Daily guide, the Wakata Adom. Discover. Speaker Babin and Ayariga clash over reintroduction of LGBTQ plus bill. Just say no penny coin, I show your film. But show your film chairman of freedom kase banduni. Eish, we can't sa. Game will answer semia. We say I can die for Baumia for his good heart. NPP. Cape Coast North Chairman Suneka so was one in Kwakra bar for ye. Emma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be Mampenu or Ghana. Why ye crowd say obesa no ediamano. They discovered the Wakata and so and if ya President why the other so. Man from Metroless and ye na ye koya the The Metroless Chief of Staff endorses NHIA illegal payment tax force. You see, homophobic claims if you so many call NHIA saying penifone job can. Kalabule say chum. I don't want to tax force some more education. She was like, I know fossil pa. Then the babua. It's me ma. Can't call any paper ya juma or NHIA for payment no emo. The Metroless as soon anyway a banner and pay. I fear she can say headline. I can see a headline or pay a day bar. Most more Ghana for you use electricity. Obeto wiki mana sano wasato otowa na oma basi yatutumu nesa Ghana for we na se ye ni brekwa na ba ya ko ma ba tintumu
na no kra wo ho e je so omuntumu e wo ho na implementation na maye e beba so
ye ni bre na maye
na enu akwasi se de wa woni mu dadai park sitting ya public account committee sitting ya na ECG bosses no mba no mbe yi sama no ye 2024 die Hey, minti be fama no nka. Minti be fama ni hu. Sika pen. Adan ye di ho abro so man sa. ECG. Ano pa me chia mo. Adai, enti mo amo kra na metie figures na me say Adom ni accountant. The accountant will check like sika ni bi brobo so no ntimi nyi MD amane SND. Sika we di abro so yes enti mo ntimi nya tell say e ba public account committee and an auditor general any report be ba nsan mo hu ana sika di e pani enti nya mo dia ya ban dia enti se de tie bia no say spending is wow ya mo di o ni ete ha ne ye bre no bi de ka 100 cedis 200 enti ya ko twa ne light mu fe sika mo die where the head wo
yes omo budget 31.8 million say omo ne betu kwan ewi eche no mo spend 91 million kanisika 910 billion
ya me strong ka kanisika ye twa kanini mu ye wo ka
yes oh that be see the knife here
because you cannot no thing
yes so mo tu kwan be da hotel say na wontimi na abontin na eno no o budget 9.3 million ewi eche no spend 12.2 million 120 billion. Afe ombe shiesha santrefo. Ebe media workshops. Any ade media sensitization. Santrefo adu emu ntia samra ne nchirechire mu. Initial mo patwo say come the 4.2 million cedis na bench. We actually must spend 7.9 million Ghana cedis. Publicity. Ya mo amane ebi ene ebedum kanea. There be a fort about me, a stumble and church, and a person ye, and mamma fortress, your community way. I could share my for no macas, and with me at once. Omka almost 5.7 million Ghana cedis and a baby said man.
Hey,
Every 21.8 million Ghana cedis.
Ah, announcement we kura mo de ba ya kura ni ye hu ani ya ka. Ni ya ka. Eno hu nko 21 what million.
Industrial relations.
Eno ye de.
Say yanka say ye hu. Ye dwumem.
Ha.
Our budget is only 2 million. I can't let him say I would say a chini pato.
Hey.
Our budget is only 2 million Ghana cedis. If you remember, we are only 13.1 million Ghana cedis.
Ade. I'm sorry, I'm about MPs
consultants.
Ministers.
Yempe consultant.
Hey.
No munya niema fama ye enwi niema. Ye budget 40 million Ghana cedis. We are normally 58 million Ghana cedis.
Sikadie.
Ye be kwa mono ne akotre ne ye manfo. Ye si bia na sike betimi aso ye 40 million Ghana cedis. Ewe econom de 29.8 million Ghana cedis.
Ade.
And I oversee
we nya nkrata we nya papers ne yekeka na ye sika.
Afia enu a Felix Kwacho Fosu, Minister for Government Communication by. When him said the over 2,000 containers ECG ekra ba Ghana no.
Aye.
Na na eme wo no mehia just 10 years later.
Na me se ba ku bi kro mo sa kan ye ne se sa prepaid yi ni ade. Senka wo say meter no. Ankwa ni kwa so mo ton ma ye. Enso kwa ko pebi na ye ton ma. Den so ye se ye free wo.
Yes.
Director Odaroma mientie yi park figures no kwasi akeka de yensa mo so bie na mo de monte. Wo de mu hwe mo.
9.3 million was your budget, but you spent 12.2. Staff fuel. Hey, did they drive around the world? Budget was 2.8, and you spent 3.6 million. Communication expenses, ECG. Your budget was 4.2, but you spent 7.9 million. Consultancy, budget was 40 million, but you spent 58.6 million. All these you did it on your own without even board approval. Industrial relations, your budget was 2 million, but you spent 13 million. Stakeholders' expenses, your budget was 3.1 million, and you spent 49 million. And you want to increase our tariffs. Publicity, your budget was 5.7, and you spent 21.8 million. Professional fees and subscription, you are supposed to spend 731,000 cedis, and you spent 1.5 million. Overseas travel expenses, you are supposed to spend 14 million, and you spent 29.8 million. Call center expenses, you are supposed to spend 23.5 million, you spent 29.3 million. So budget approval was for 144 million, you spent 333 million. That's excess of 189.2 million. This shows financial indiscipline. And the recommendation over here is that sanctions under Section 96 of the Public Financial Management Act 216, Act 921, should be applied to the officers involved. We also urge management to efficiently monitor and control the company's expenses. CEO, those managers who were involved, I'm recommending that they need to face the Attorney General for prosecution. It's just simple and short.
Attorney General nyame score. Yes, sir. Ano odin sika we nyina.
Efebia no obi nti sika na ye kana se 189 million Ghana cedis excess no. Ebetimi asi classroom blocks 6 unique classroom blocks 189
akwan kura
it assume say you were classroom blocks 6 unique classroom blocks 189 unim kwada e be you mo free school under tree enu ahwe sa assume senior high school yeah we will need not more than 2 million Ghana to betimi complete this project with
serious
189 million Ghana is excess say if an be a fire but because akwakoye abadem yem ka say akoye abantini say omni entumuni ba Ghana ni upompo chia na betua e na ade no so no kwasi chese de ye areho ne say me antu omo ni nche na auditors ho omo o ado mo say that's what we kaba o mu nyina ni
ye mie na so kan de emre na so kakra bi 030221701702703703 de emre no ko akisimi abaye mo ache mo akwa aba wo ba ko straight wadaroma na afoforo so mra be me ne ntie o
ya sister fia me da se ma mentia Roger Afare Tando ogbo adwuma obakwati sabi o ye se akunani wada se amapa no na nyumre so wodro de obedi eno da me kan sem bi se assembly ma allowance na mai ema wo hye bo ana wo hye me bo se obefre ye wo so ofre no assembly ma fo nyina so mo no ya adwene ti ye sere wo apakwati ye dan o enti pusu na dro bi anka dem me da wa se akisimi makra
yeah da se me da for no pay ye mo ache 2 pm
yeah
2 pm ye mo ache o
mejo so akwati ene minu aba
yeah da se enti o
yango
anu pay mama ba so o say chief of staff de mechia no ne honorable Amankwa Joseph MC adwumawura owo Mamponte kwa Burry akwasi green one na ekọ why
be that say
ai akwasi mesre ye ECG eniama ekoso wo no akwasi entwaye mia metewo no bobo we se ne ko anam si everade ti sai ska we nyina wo Ghana ha ti e besre mpanifo ye so mutu ho anamo omuntu ho anamo na biim so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia akwasi nsem bi bobo o
so ya do fe mo ache mo akwaba ya
minu aba meje so na menche watiefo na se na mintimu kana me yaji mintimuamenche wati menche ni moyan fa ku su jombo di ni mpan fam pigin pan foni a megidi se mini akwasi sha na oboshi kana obotite sikana mesere momo because we no be kasa na sikana mo bona I want to you who say sikana but mo botite sikana e de mesere se mpan fono omo fo mo nyam na no because you tell us they bro you kimi di battery si jaso ni ye karita sa ni ye jimri kakikiki adwuma ye de ye pe it is on beti sika we de sisi apartment akasia katia de rent da ati mo ma ni ye bra akwasi yo papa de bu ye me hwe mo TV na na me la chasa sika ye tia
samu
omo fo mo famra kwanso ye kasa nchi omo me kwanso sa me ne mi chira no juma pa mo
ya da se papa ya ofofro nso so ye fa be 2 course bi ne fancy me do fo ye mo ache mo akwaba facha ye 0302211701 702703704 emfa be 2 course bi ni ho dia eda mo se ni mako aba ni mako ye mo ache mo akwaba
me josu ni aba na se mama chen
eda se
mo su ni adwuma
da se na
ma se di fo sika se ya na ye nyina be ka ho asem kakra
yate
na de me sra ba ni nyina so mo na ni nko ni ni madi hu ye because ye be kan se ya na tena akọje be 3 pounds am dia na akọye bregu ye yesre nyina ni se omo monitor institutions ni nyina o man ya se bi akọje bo sia ne de be bo grade ye ye sika se ni se ye be tere mpe na o committee ye di ye bi kebi echi osuan ha more than be 1 year asa je ye san committee na o committee osuan ha ba ku ni do 25 million o Ghana
wow
asa na o sa committee na mo yet mo fosi na ma sa fa skene se dia semwaye
Joshua ye last caller ye fa Joshua so jo ye mo akwaba
me Joshua mama
ya da se papa na he na wo hwe fia no pay
e fra fi ko boduma se
wa no ma yenti o
wo yesi di fo no ni omu ni ye ni re ngo ye kura o omo ma ko bo fo babelia ye kan no e potuo ni nyamonyemo bebri na sila yes gabe bebe de kura no mu di ye wo krumu na mu di o babelia tu ko bo fo so ye kan ya omu di so da fo bebru ye na yes gabe bebe
over the other. Chrono fita say the other. Obi to aso mama.
Yada say. Yada say. Ever ba kon ka ho na ye. Ai, ano odin. Sika na no odin.
We dey also for the no so mechire.
There is one come media team no.
I be also mechire yes. Ni workshop do omo ye. How much you spend hotels ben omo ko die. So facilitators ben e buy. Said the Jan Centre for we are talking about 79 billion old cities. You know, when you get what they can once and see and what was the impact?
We are light in your Juma, ne doom, ne sonny or corner, banner, corner, what Jessica went to money a day.
79 billion for some truffle.
Better be. That's a mobile one mobra.
That be
no be no why you say
we want to believe said and say meet your man penny attorney general and the auditor general have here no. Some of these cases no be referred to them. Now yes shame here. Once auditor general can say buka o dey job care. E kire bo be mi so. Yeah, obi be procurement obi be an obo mu a and pass o ye twama o man aboka 189 million Ghana cedis. O se be kire.
Yeah beje
Osi be chirem.
Enti en fa health tips no to aso wiki bu nyina ye fibroid de ho komo de ye die. Ti we ye nche 5 minutes ni awie wadon ma tie bibra ye kwaba.